Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to learn English faster.
Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hello, Alex. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from London, England. How about you?
I'm from New York, USA. Wow, London. That's amazing.
Yes, it's a beautiful city. Have you ever been to London?
No, I haven't. But I would love to visit one day.
You should. There are so many places to see. What do you do, Alex?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a school. And you, Emma?
I'm a graphic designer. I create artwork for websites and social media.
That sounds interesting. How long have you been doing that?
I've been a graphic designer for 5 years now. It's a fun job. How about teaching?
I've been teaching for about 3 years. I really enjoy helping people learn English.
That's great. It must be rewarding. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books and watch movies. And you?
I enjoy painting and traveling. I love visiting new places.
That's amazing. What's the best place you've ever traveled to?
It's hard to choose, but I think Italy was my favorite. The food and architecture were incredible.
Italy sounds fantastic. I'd love to go there. What was your favorite dish?
Oh, definitely pasta. Italian pasta is so delicious. Do you like Italian food?
Yes. I love pizza and pasta. Actually, I enjoy trying different cuisines.
Me too. Food is a big part of experiencing a new culture. Have you traveled a lot?
A little bit. I've been to Canada and Mexico, but I'd love to visit Europe.
You should. Europe has so many beautiful cities. Where would you go first?
Probably Paris. I've always wanted to see the Eiffel Tower.
Paris is amazing. I went there last year. The city is so charming.
That sounds wonderful. Did you try French pastries while you were there?
Of course. Croissants and macarons were my favorites.
I definitely will. Speaking of food, do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I love trying new recipes, especially desserts. What about you?
I like cooking too, but I'm not very good at it. I can make a great breakfast, though.
That's a good start. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
That's true. So, do you prefer tea or coffee?
Tea. Being British, I drink tea all the time. What about you?
I like both, but I drink more coffee. It helps me wake up in the morning.
I get that. So, since you're a teacher, do you speak any other languages?
A little Spanish, but I'm still learning. What about you?
I speak a bit of French, but I'd love to learn more languages.
Learning languages is fun. Maybe we can practice together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. It was really nice talking to you, Alex.
You too, Emma. Let's keep in touch and maybe meet up again soon.
Yes, that would be great. See you soon.
See you soon.